Hi, I'm Lily.
And I'm Zulema.
And we want to improve our school by building a modern aqueduct.
Yeah. An aqueduct is what Romans in ancient Rome used to use to collect water for those who needed it. We need water in our area because there's no available water near the area, and we will have some plants here. The aqueduct will be built by using planter posts. Then we will attach rain gutters to the wood and lead it to a rain barrel. Here we will collect water from the rain to water our plants.
We use formulas found online to calculate around how much water we will collect using the aqueduct. We found that it would be around 1,800 gallons of water, but this depends on how much precipitation falls in our area.
In ancient Rome, around 27 BC to 476 AD, Appius Claudius invented the aqueduct. The people there lived on hilly terrain, which made it difficult to get water into. So Appius made these aqueducts which made water flow consistently from point A to point B so that people can use the water. Now we use modern aqueducts. It has the same idea but more sturdy, and it's made out of concrete. We will be using Appius's idea but using rain gutters instead of concrete.
Some weaknesses of our campus are that our campus lacks an understanding of the history of the aqueduct. Many students don't know about this history, and we think they'd benefit from learning about it. Another weakness is that the rain gutters where we're building do not lead to the drain where all the water goes. Some of the rain gutters won't catch much water, and our aqueducts will gather more water. Lastly, our campus doesn't collect rainwater often. We have 2 rain barrels in our outdoor garden. That's it. Our campus would benefit from having more water saved.
Some strengths of our campus are that the locations of the rain gutters in our area are perfect for our project. The rain gutters flow when we can connect them to the aqueduct when we build it so that it can easily gather more water. Another advantage is that in our campus, herbs grow really well. In our planter posts, we would like to put plants in the barrels. It would look nice, and it would grow a few herbs while it is there. Lastly, our area has 2 giant trees that provide shade in a nice area where students can learn while being shaded and not be blasted by the sun, as it is really hot here most of the time.
Our eco-audit data includes how much we plan to build our aqueduct, how much water we calculated we will gather for this aqueduct, and the historical background of the aqueduct.
Our goal is to teach students the importance of water conservation by showing them who invented it and why, as well as how fascinating it was back in Roman times, allowing students to learn the importance of conserving our water.
To build our project, we will be using whiskey barrels and concrete to make planter posts. Connected to the concrete will be wood, which will connect to the rain gutters. From here, it will connect to a rain barrel and will be easily accessible for students to use to gather water for plants. In our whiskey barrels will be herbs.
Our project is important because it showcases where water conservation ideas originated from. This is long-term because it allows not only current students to learn about this topic, but also future students. Everyone will be able to learn about aqueducts from our project, as well as water plants that will be useful to our community.
To build our project, we will use whiskey barrels and concrete to make planter posts. Connected to the concrete will be wood, which will connect to the rain gutters. From here, it will connect to a rain barrel and be easily accessible to students to gather water for plants. In our whiskey barrels will be herbs such as rosemary.
Here's our budget. It includes what we will need to build the aqueduct. Bye!